watching the news at 6 p.m. with me, Anubhuti Gaur. Let's take a look at what's making headlines. Karnataka Home Minister says government mulling to prepare an Assam-like National Register of Citizens in Karnataka. Information for implementation being collected. 2 meetings already held on state NRC. Remember, Home Minister Amit Shah had said that NRC will be implemented across the country to throw out all the immigrants. A day after leaders in Jammu released from house arrest, leaders from Kashmir to be released soon. One by one, advisor to Jammu and Kashmir Governor Farooq Khan says leaders will be released after individual analysis. The J&K leaders like Mehbooba Mufti, Omar Abdullah were put under house arrest after the government moved to scrap special status under Article 370. Former Finance Minister P. Chidambaram to remain in Delhi's Tihar jail till October 17. CBI says no objection on food being sent from home. Chidambaram has been in Delhi's Tihar jail since September 5th after his arrest in the INX media case. Mega show of strength in his roadshow as Aditya Thackeray files nomination from Worli constituency for the upcoming Maharashtra Assembly polls. Shiv Sena chief Uddhav Thackeray's son is the first of his clan to contest an election. He is leaving no stone unturned to woo the voters as several posters have been put up across Worli. Inputs received by security agencies for Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists planning to strike in Delhi during the festival season. All 4 are said to be heavily armed. Airports in North India put on alert. The alert led to searches across Delhi, especially in the more crowded neighborhoods of Delhi. Security agencies have received inputs in recent weeks about attacks in retaliation against the government's decision to end special status to Jammu and Kashmir under Article 370. Former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh will visit Kartarpur Sahib Gurdwara in Pakistan for the birth anniversary celebrations of Guru Nanak as part of an all-party group. Punjab Chief Minister Amrinder Singh said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Ram Nath Kovind had also been invited to the event and both had accepted the state government's invitation. Horrific incident comes to light in Odisha, Gangam district. 6 60-year-old men allegedly made to eat human excreta and their teeth pulled out by a group of villagers in Goparpur village on suspicion of practicing witchcraft, leading to death of 3 women. Victims were rescued by the police and admitted to the hospital. 29 people have been arrested. Patrolling has been intensified to nab the remaining accused and avoid any untoward incidents. Furious US President Donald Trump blasts media over Ukraine and impeachment inquiry. Trump accused the whistleblower whose complaint alleges presidential abuse of power of being fake and vicious and into some bad things. That's all in this bulletin. Thanks for watching. The news and updates will continue on the other side.